If you like carbon fiber and you like taking your C8 Corvette to the local car shows, then these parts are going to help you showcase that frunk area really nicely. So let's go check it out in today's video. So thanks for tuning in, guys. And like I said, we are going to be checking out a carbon fiber frunk kit that can replace the OEM trim pieces that you have going on in the frunk of your C8 Corvette. It comes from Extreme Online Store, or EOS for short, and we have it displayed all out here as a beautiful kit. It's one of those kits that if you're really trying to go for a carbon fiber look everywhere, including the detail places like in the frunk, this is an excellent piece to invest in. Now, the full kit involves the 4 main pieces that would replace all of the trim that goes inside the frunk of your C8 Corvette, which includes the main upper piece, your lower trim piece here, and then the 2 side pieces as well. And this all goes for actually a really good price considering how much carbon fiber you're getting of $1,499, which honestly is a fantastic deal for what you're getting in regards to genuine good carbon fiber pieces. I mean, these pieces are full carbon fiber. It's not any kind of piece that is just carbon fiber on the top and then it's just some kind of composite underneath. These are full on carbon fiber pieces. And also these aren't overlay type pieces. These are full replacement type pieces that essentially you'll remove the OEM trim pieces that you have. They're kind of a little bland, they're just black plastic, and then be able to install these carbon fiber pieces all with an OEM type fit. And this entire kit is universal in regards to all the different variants of the C8 Corvette, whether you have a C8 Stingray, a Z06 like I do, or an ERAY. It will fit all those different kinds of variations of Corvette, C8 Corvette. And you can buy all these pieces separately. You don't have to buy it as a full kit if you kind of just want to buy it piece by piece. So you can buy the top kit, you can buy the side pieces, and then the lower section at different times if you wanted to go do that. And one of the key features of these pieces that I really do appreciate is right down the center, there is a nice seam, making that V pattern. If you are going for that kind of look of having it right down the center, that herringbone type pattern, EOS has done a really, really good job of that with these cases. So you see it in your top section here, as well as your bottom section as well. I personally like that a lot better than just having it just be one full piece of carbon fiber. And especially for complex pieces like this, I mean, this has pretty complex contours that EOS has figured out and dialed in really, really nicely. All the different sections are very well laid down. There's not kinds of real stretching on any of these carbon fiber pieces from from the one that I'm looking at. And yeah, it's just a beautiful set of pieces. Now, the one key difference that you're gonna see between the OEM pieces and these pieces here is the mesh section on the main upper piece. So EOS has basically gone with a metal grille instead of the plastic version that you see as a design on the OEM. And it came already pre-assembled, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out how to install a mesh piece. It's all pre-assembled and held together very securely with metal retainers to basically keep it all in place. And it's rock steady, sturdy. This is not going anywhere kind of deal. So, and this is a very easy kit to install at home. Literally can take you like maybe 5-10 minutes. And the only reason why it would even take you that, because it really should only take you maybe like 30 seconds, is because you need to essentially take from the OEM pieces the little retainer clips and install them onto this piece. These do not come with the little retainer pieces because you can take them off of your OEM. It's not hard. You literally just need a pair of pliers to pluck off the ones off of the OEM, and then they just stick on right here. So it's not difficult. It's just a little bit tedious. You have to do it for all these different pieces, and there's probably like, I would say 15-ish or so of retainers that you have to pull. And I'll show you really quick how that looks and how that's supposed to be. It's not hard at all. But yeah, definitely like this setup for a really good competitive price compared to other ones that you see out on the market that I've seen that are easily over $1,000 more than this listing price. So that's one of the key features that I really do appreciate about EOS's products. They are at a very budget-friendly, competitive price compared to everything else out on the market for good, reasonable quality. So that's why I do like them as a long-time sponsor of the channel and just love their product. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get this installed onto the C8 Corvette. So alrighty guys, so we have finished installing the carbon fiber frunk trim set onto the C806 and it's looking awesome. Now fitment wise, I would give it a solid B+. It isn't perfect, but it definitely works for what it is and the price point that it sells at. I'm very happy with it. It's one of those, unless you are looking at it very closely up, some of the gaps and overlaps could be a bit improved, but overall look wise it is absolutely awesome looking. It's looking pretty awesome, especially with the carbon fiber hood. So if I have it closed and then I actually open it up at my car show and stuff, you see more carbon fiber going on, and that's the kind of look I personally like a lot. And if you're like me, or even just a bit like me in regards to liking carbon fiber, this piece in general looks really, really good. Honestly, it could use that special kind of plaque that you get. There's a couple of companies out there that make special plaques that you can use to cover this section here with either like a Corvette logo or your own personal information and kind of deal. I'm probably going to go that direction myself because that really does make a very clean look, very clean appearance kind of deal, especially at car shows and stuff like that. So I definitely would recommend this kind of piece, especially if you're looking to purchase a whole bunch of different carbon fiber pieces. Getting all these different pieces for, you know, around $1,500 is not bad at all, because that is a lot of carbon fiber, a lot of complex curves going on. You're not seeing a whole bunch of imperfections all over the place. It is great for the money that you're getting. So definitely would recommend these pieces. I'm very happy that I have one, and I'm honestly, after the last few months of not being able to have this car for a different reason in regards to like having a part that failed on it, that complete like OEM part, that warranty replacement, all that kind of stuff, I'm glad to be back to the point where I'm making product reviews for this car again. So if you're curious at what happened, I'll definitely have a link to the video so you can check it out. But in the meantime, yeah, definitely check out any of my other videos. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't and you like what you saw and you want to see more. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.